Many countries have beautiful places to go. Can you, an English learner, tell someone about a famous, beautiful place in your country? Today, a Japanese listener asked me to help them talk about Tokyo's famous sky tree, the tallest building in Japan, and how it makes them feel. That is today's Social English Repair Shop episode. Hikari, please start off the show.
皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Hi, Hikari. Thank you for that awesome introduction. Minasan, yokuso. This is the Social English Podcast. Thank you for listening to today's show. In the Social English Podcast, I will teach you not just conversational English, but social English. This is English for social situations. If you are new to this podcast, thank you for listening today. Today, this is a English repair shop episode. I will fix real mistakes from real people learning English. These people asked me to help them, so let's help them together. I want you to listen to today's wrong English and think how you can fix it. Well, first, let's get started by listening to Ko, my Japanese friend, who will tell you about today's episode. 聞いてください。
すべての英語修理店のエピソードと同様に4つのパートがあります。パート1では英語を勉強している日本人が間違って言ったことを正確に聞くことができます。パート2では会話型のソーシャルイングリッシュスタイルで正しい英語を聞くことができます。パート3ではパーシーはあなたが同じ過ちを犯さないようにするために彼が重要だと考えるヒントをあなたに与えます。パート4でパーシーは正しい英語版を高速で自然な速度で言います。このようにしてネイティブの速度で英語を聞く練習をすることもできます。
Thank you for that information, Ko. And in this episode, and all episodes of the English Repair Shop, we have 4 parts. Easy English, Part 1. The wrong English from the Japanese listener or learner who is studying English. Part 2. Correct English in a social English style. Part 3. Hints, tips, tricks, Part 4, Fast English, Natural Native Speed English. Let's get started with Part 1. Are you ready? Let's go. Kite kudasai. This is the wrong English. Finally, I went to the sky tree. Beautiful view. I wanted to stay long time, especially sitting chairs. But there are not many chairs. Okay, here it is one more time. Finally, I went to the sky tree. Beautiful view. I wanted to stay long time, especially sitting chairs. But there are not many chairs. Okay, everyone. Think how you can fix this. I'll give you 10 seconds to think about it. Okay, have you thought about how you would fix this? Well, get ready because I will show you how this will sound in a social English style. So here it is, Part 2, the correct English in a social English style. Kite kudasai. I finally got a chance to go to the Tokyo sky tree. It had such a beautiful view. I wanted to stay longer because of the nice chairs, but they didn't have many chairs there. Here it is one more time. I finally got a chance to go to the Tokyo sky tree. It had such a beautiful view. I wanted to stay longer because of the comfortable, nice chairs. But they didn't have many chairs there. Okay, this is how you would speak this in a social English style. Let's move to Part 3. Part 3, here are the tips and tricks. In social English, we express yourself, your idea, your feeling. How do you feel? So, finally I went. No, say, I finally got a chance. I finally got a chance. That is so much better, and that is real social English. Okay? I finally got a chance. Okay? So use this, not finally I went to. Next, beautiful view. This is not right. I don't understand beautiful view exactly. So say it, Skytree, it had such a beautiful view from the top. Or option 2, the Skytree had an amazing view from the top. Or change it around. at the top of the sky tree, there was such a beautiful view. Okay? So those are three options you can use. And last hint for today is you want to say, I wanted to stay longer, not long time. So long time, we never use long time in social. We don't use it often in social English. So stay long time is not used. You can say for a long time. I wanted to stay for a long time. But the 60-70% you will hear, 70% in social English, people, English speaker will say, I wanted to stay longer. Okay? It's very short. Longer. I wanted to stay longer. Equals, I wanted to stay for a long time. Okay? But longer is the better word because we have words that have more meaning, and you can learn more later. But I want to move to part 4. Part 3 finished. Let's move to part 4. This is the fast English natural speed. Okay? This is to help you learn listening skills. Better listening skills. I will say correct social English in 2 or 3 versions so you can hear different versions in a natural speed. The meaning is still the same, so don't worry about that. It's the way we express ourselves in English. Please listen, kite kudasai, part 4. I finally got a chance to go to the Tokyo Skytree. It had such a beautiful view from the top. I wanted to stay longer, especially because they had such nice chairs. But they didn't have many chairs there. Version 2. I finally got a chance to go to the Tokyo Skytree. It had such a beautiful view at the top. I wanted to stay longer because they had such great chairs. But I didn't get a chance to because there weren't many chairs there. Version 3. I finally got to go to and visit the Tokyo Skytree. There was such a beautiful view from the top. I wanted to stay longer because they even had very nice chairs. But they did not have enough chairs, so I had to leave early.
このショーを気に入っていただけたら5つ星のレビューをぜひお願いします。
Okay, so that was it for today's show. Before I end the show, I want to give you some action items for today. What I want you to do is, I want you to think about a famous, popular attraction, site, or place in your country. Maybe you are in Japan. Most listeners to this podcast are from Japan, but some listeners are from Thailand. Some listeners are from the Philippines. Some listeners are from South Korea. Some listeners are from South America. So, all of my listeners around the world. Think about something, one thing, one place to tell me, Percy, tell me about this place at your country, in your country, and tell me why it's such a great place to visit. You can practice with your friends and let me know on my Twitter at Social Japanese. Okay? I'd love to hear from you in whatever language. Okay? Please try to learn English. Please try to learn social English. Very hard. One last thing for me, please leave a review on Apple Podcasts. I'd love to hear and read what you think. And I want to make this the best English podcast in the world. Thank you for listening to the Social English Podcast. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a great day. Peace and love.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.